You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city, known in English as Galway, and even in Ireland it's generally referred to as Galway, not Galway, Galway. How to pronounce it, how to say it in Irish. Gaillimh. Gaillimh. There might be some different intonations or slightly difference in pronunciation depending on the area. Gaillimh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.